I want more things out of her stuff. Give me more color schemes. Give me more monochromatic, please. Every color of the rainbow, every shade, everything. Just give me it all. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I'm here today to talk about Juvia's Place. Oh yes, another palette. Oh yes. So from her new collection, her minis, I'm going to be talking about the MAUVES palette. Before I get into it, of course guys, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment below and hit that notification button while you're down there, so anytime I upload, you know I'm here, you can watch it. If you want this look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There's a lot of things I had to play with and go back and forth with this palette because there were so many colors that I could play with and different kinds of looks I could do, or what colors I can just mix. So there's a lot of different colors I can pull from and a lot of different aspects of a look I can give. These retail for 14 bucks. This is my favorite color, okay, just hands down. This color, the shimmer color, I told you is my favorite. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in there. It is so pretty. It has like a mauve mermaid, like that duochrome kind of green to purple shimmer in it. It's so good. It's so good. It's like a mermaid, that mauve mermaid pink. Like, I don't know, it has like that duochrome kind of mermaid kind of look, and then it has a mauve pink in it. It's so pretty. That's why I'm like, that's my favorite shade out the whole palette. It's so pretty. I was very iffy about this one. I know I wanted the other two new palettes, but this one I said, I don't know. And there wasn't any tutorials or anything out using it, or like a little demo. And I said, well, I know it's good because it's Juvia's Place. So I was like, you know what? I'll just buy it. This palette is very pretty. It's a very soft romantic. It can be any time of the year you can wear these kind of shades. It's really pretty. They have 2 neutral pinks in there, and then also they have 2 deeper kind of mauve-y, purple, a little bit brown in some of these. And then at the bottom they have the shimmer, a light matte, like a light kind of pinky mauve. And then they have my favorite shimmer, and then they have this one. Now that one, I wasn't expecting to like that one so much as well. You guys seen I used just a little bit of it, but I can't wait to put that all over my lid just for another look. But it has like gold shimmer in it, but it's like a purple, mulberry. Well, kind of lighter than mulberry, but it's really pretty. I was like, when I got this palette, I knew I wanted that one in the middle, so I was like, let me try that one. And then literally I seen that color, I said, oh. I don't know why on Juvia's Place website, it just doesn't look like that. Like she shows the colors, but it's like, oh, now she has swatches and I'm like, great. But a lot of times it's like, but when I get her palettes, one thing with Juvia's Place, every time I get her palettes, it's always better in person than it is on the website. I don't know if that's a tactic she's doing, but I don't know. I forever have found that out, that it's always some shadow that surprises me in her palette. I'm like, oh, that didn't look like that on the website. So that's why I'm always like, I'm gonna forever buy her stuff. I'm a fan. This palette is very, very versatile. You can use it all kinds of ways. You can do the lighter ones, you can do the darker ones, you can do a shimmer, all mattes, put a little darker kind of shimmer in there, and then you can put a matte on top. Or a matte in the back and then a shimmer on there. It's just really, it's a really good, cute, simple palette. Like I said, at first, I don't like plums, maroons, mauves. Like, mauves are okay. Mauve's all right, but I was like, I don't really care for them. I'm not gonna grab them over some other colors. I really am not. But this palette, I said, you know what? I know it's gonna be good because it's Juvia's Place, so I might as well just try it. But these color stories, the monochromatic, I'm gonna call it monochromatic series that she has, I believe, going on. I'm a fan because anytime I think about it, it's like, well, if you're looking for a certain kind of look or to match an outfit or something, well, you kind of got it right there. Yeah, those 2 were my favorite colors, and then I have to admit this one I used, you know, as my background color on my lid. I did like that one. At first I was like, oh, it looks pinky, but then the more I looked at it, I said, oh no, it's mauve. You can see she's mauve. She's very, very mauve. But I wish she had names for the eyeshadows. I missed that of her other fuller size palettes. I love that. I mean, I know it's just a print, it's just named, but I liked it because then I can figure out, okay, what it is. And what I used to do with Juvia's Place palettes when I first started buying hers, is I actually started looking up the names and seeing, you know, I wonder why she got that color for that specific name. And a lot of it was really comparable to what she was talking about. Like one color looked like sand. The part of that city that she was talking about has a lot of sand, has majority sand. It was very intriguing, very informational. It was like, oh, let me look this up. So I kind of missed that. I want that out of these palettes. I want the little names on there, and then I can go and look up and see, wonder why she picked that color for that. So I missed that. But of course, Juvia's Place has her traditional, the sis and the turbans. And she has them on the front as well. And she has everything on the back, the ingredients and whatnot. I believe all of her palettes of the new collection say this. So it's just, you know, whatever color you're feeling like out of mauves or out of pinks or out of taupes. You just pick whatever color you like or put on what you like. This palette to me is cute. If you love mauves, you'll love it because it literally has a cool mauve, a light mauve, a warm mauve. And it has shimmer mauve, so you got everything. They're matte shimmer and everything. So I'm on the purple range, so usually I'm like, yeah. I like vibrant purples and pastel purples more than a mauve or cool kind of purple, but you know, still kind of purple. So I'm like, I gotta get it. But very impressed with her shimmers. Only thing is, I wish again her shimmer was a little bit more smoother. I just want just a little bit more of a slip. This palette, it was cute. To me, is it worth 14 bucks? Of course, this Juvia's Place, all her stuff is worth what it's worth. It's good. It's good quality. Had her palettes for years, still work them, still good. So I really like this palette. I did like it. I like the $14 little series, little mini palette she has going on. I just want more color schemes. Give me more, give me more. And I wish you put the names on the shadows. I don't want to call it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wanted to call it by a certain name. So on the little palettes, put it back on the little palettes. Because I know on the big size palettes, the Wahala palette, you have the names on there. So I guess maybe big size, you get the name. Small ones, you just get the color, girl. There you go. But this is a really cute palette. And especially if she has a bundle, grab it because these are really cute. It's just cute to have just those color schemes that you know, I'm looking for a certain color. You can find it. There you go. So that was my review over the new Juvia's Place, the MAUVES palette. I want more from this series. I've said it 10,000 times. Give me even more colors. Keep them coming, Juvia. Keep them coming. Again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and hit that notification button while you're down there. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Bye.